Everybody knows what colors tigers and crocodiles naturally come in. However, have you ever seen a white crocodile or a black tiger? At any point, an orange bat or a pure black deer? In today's video, we're going to show you some of the rarest color variations of animals caught on camera. Number 10. Black Bengal Tiger. Just like we have the white Bengal tiger, we also have the black Bengal tiger. You know, it's Mother Nature's way of bringing neutrality to life. The black tiger was first spotted by an artist, James Forbes, in 1773 in Kerala's southwest India. He made a painting of the pure black, no-stripe tiger, which was sadly shot a few months later by poachers. It was said to be a true melanistic tiger. However, common black tigers cited are not true melanistic tigers but pseudo-melanistic tigers. Pseudomelanism occurs when tigers have thick dark stripes that fuse on their light-colored orange coats, making them entirely black. These black tigers are common now due to inbreeding. Unlike the white tigers, the black tigers are said to be smaller than the normal orange tigers, but this doesn't hinder their survival or strength in the wild. Number 9. Albino red-eyed owl. As unreal as this fascinating creature may seem to you, it's actually very real. Some animals, as you may have seen in this video, lack nature's crayon, melanin. This fairy tale bird with snow-white features and cherry-red eyes is a screech owl. The albino owl looks like one with X-ray vision, but before you start thinking this is another creation of a mad scientist, allow me to explain how it came about. Its red eyes, you see, because this owl lacks melanin, its eyes didn't quite get the right pigmentation. So, what you see is just the blood vessels in the eyes, while the skin around the eyes reflects the colorless iris. Number 08. Painted bat. The painted orange bat, aka the butterfly bat, is a magnificent and unusually colored animal, especially for a bat. It can be found in Bangladesh, China, India, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam, as well as other woodland and arid places. This gorgeous critter was first sighted in 1888 in Bangladesh, and then they were later believed to have been extinct after they were discovered. But they were rediscovered after 133 years in Madhapur National Park in June 2021. Unlike most other bats, they have the same body and tail length, which ranges between 3 to 5.5 centimeters. They usually don bright orange or scarlet plumages with black wings and more orange along the fingers. They have a fragile form, generally small with large funnel ears and strangely 38 teeth. Yep, you heard that right, which comes in handy when they munch down on insects. They're nocturnal animals that hate being disturbed. The older males appear to be more brightly colored than the females. Males, the painted bat, is a sight you dream to behold, if you haven't already. Number 07. Albino kangaroo. Just as with other albino animals, this amazing creature is one that occurs once in every 50,000 births. This one was first spotted on the property of a woman named Sarah Cannon in Longreach, Queensland, Australia. When she first saw it, she couldn't get a picture, but luckily, the rare roo came back after 6 months, and she had her camera ready. This time she got a few shots of the kangaroo hopping along. We're glad she took these pictures. Here's a clip of one raised in captivity. Just look at the disbelief in her eyes. Just a truly remarkable sighting. Number 06. Amazon River dolphin. This amazing species of toothed whale is known as the pink river dolphin or boto or buffeto by the locals. It's the largest species of river dolphin, weighing up to 185 kilograms, and the male is 55% bigger than the female. So, you might wonder why a dolphin would be called pink, right? Well, that's because they're actually pink. The adult Amazon River dolphin sports a pink color and is like any other regularly colored dolphin. However, this coloration is more prominent in their males. When newly born, they have dark gray skin, and the color transforms as they grow. The males tend to be pinker than the females. They live up to 30 years, but the intensive hunting and dumping of waste in their natural habitat affect their population. Number 05. Black deer. Although this might seem like a scene from a fantasy movie, melanistic deer are actually a thing. They're known as melanistic whitetails, and these guys are true gems that are generally celebrated by even deer hunters. They lack the distinct color variation of brown and white plumages associated with deer. Most melanistic deer are black throughout their entire body, while some may have an exception in the hair around their tail. The pure black deer is a rare random genetic mutation, but they have no other difference from the regular deer other than their coat color. Number 04. Albino alligator. This is Clyde. Clyde is an albino male alligator, Alligator mississippiensis, at the California Academy of Sciences. The first ever albino alligator was hatched on September 15, 1995, in Florida. Like his predecessor, Clyde faces several challenges due to his colorless skin. He can't camouflage in his environment, hence, he had very little chance of survival. In 2008, Clyde was moved to the California Academy of Sciences, and in 2009, Clyde's right finger claw was cut due to an infection caused by the bite of another alligator. Number 03. Rare pink. Katydids are usually known to have a green or brown color, which allows them to camouflage into their environment. But a pink-colored katydid? Well, this is very real. This fascinating fuchsia katydid is a result of a genetic mutation that allows an increased amount of red pigment in the absence of the regular green pigment. The condition is known as erythrism, and it occurs once in every 500 creatures. You'd have a better chance of seeing a unicorn in the wild than ever coming across these guys. So you can understand the excitement on Darren Saputa's face when he luckily found one in the wild. The only downside to being a pink katydid is that they'd obviously stand out in a green environment, making them easy picks for predators. Hence, they have low chances of survival in the unforgiving wild, another reason why these guys are so rare to find. Number 02. White tiger. Sounds weird. A tiger's usually characterized by orange fur, dark vertical stripes, and a white underpart. But we have those that stand out. The Bengal white tiger. The Bengal white tiger is a leucistic coloration variant of the Bengal tiger. Leucism is a rare genetic mutation that happens when both parents carry the white coloring gene. It's said to occur once in every 10,000 births for tigers. The white tigers may have the usual black vertical stripes with a white or near-white coat instead of the common orange coat. In rarer cases, some white tigers have no visible stripes. Aside from the fascinating color variation, white Bengal tigers are known to grow faster, stronger, heavier, and more aggressive compared to orange tigers. The white Bengal tigers have always been an entity in the spotlight. The Swedish rock band Kent featured a white tiger on the cover of their best-selling album, Vapin' and Ammunition. Also, a trained white tiger was used in the TV series Anamorphous. Number 01. Silver fox. Wouldn't you like to pet this dazzling creature? This is the rare silver fox, a melanistic form of the red fox. While other rare colorations we've seen so far result from a lack of melanin, this awesome critter has loads of it. Silver foxes display excellent color variation. Some don a glossy black coat with a white patch on their tail, giving them a somewhat silvery appearance. They're among the valued fur breeds as their pelts were worn by nobles in Russia, Western Europe, and China. Good thing that was a long time ago. Efforts are being made to preserve this breed so they can grace us with their presence for a lot longer. They're mostly spotted in Australia and also seen in Siberia and the Caucasus Mountains. They have similar behaviors to the red fox.